Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial guys, I will teach you on how to automatically log in Windows 10 operating system without asking any password. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, subscribers, visitors, silent viewers on my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. If you are a Windows user and then you want to automatically log in your computer, especially in Windows 10, we use this command netplswiss. This command will allow us to open user account. Let us copy this one and then we go to run, paste, and then select this one. Now when it will display the user account, kindly uncheck this one. User must enter username and password on this computer. Just uncheck and then we apply. It will ask for our password. Click OK and click OK. When we start our computer, there will be no password that will be the system will not ask us to enter any password. It will automatically log in on our computer. So that's it. That is for our tip for today, or how to automatically log in Windows 10 Windows 10 operating system using netplswiss. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.